everyone, I'm Sampada Kukarkar and today I'm going to speak about India's most famous scripture, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In the battlefield, Arjun was shattered to see his cousins, Bhishmacharya, his teachers, Dronacharya, Krupacharya. He told Sri Krishna, I'm not going to fight this battle. Hearing this, Sri Krishna gave him a precious spiritual advice, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is divided into 18 chapters. The first chapter is Arjun Vishwadhyut. Why was Arjun shattered? Was he scared? No. His problem was attachment. Shri Krishna told him it is indeed the attachment that is the cause of all the sorrow and suffering in the world. He advised him to fight the battle. Arjun knew all the tricks to conquer his enemies, but what he didn't know was how to conquer himself. Bhagavad Gita is all about conquering yourself. We need to fight the battle with negative tendencies inside us. Attachment, anger, jealousy, ego. The moment we start fighting the spiritual battle and reduce this tendency, we start doing spiritual progress. Fight these negative tendencies and make day-to-day spiritual progress. We have heard a lot about the word spirituality. What is being spiritual? It is very easy. Being spiritual means being a good human being. Someone who doesn't harm anyone physically, mentally, nor emotionally.